What is this place? I've never seen this place.
That's scary.
Of course, you stub your toe again. What the heck? Did it just open by itself? Oh God, this is scary. Should we explore over there first? Yeah, let's go. Come on. Oh, there's a room here. Should we go in there?
No, it's too scary.
Yeah, let's go. Wait, is this a VHS tape? What the?
This thing looks old.
I don't think there's any audio to it. What is this?
Into the heart of the forest to find a plant that's as beautiful as it is deceptive. Poison oak. We all know about it. And here in Pennsylvania, it's not as common.
Pennsylvania?
It's something to look out for. And here
What the?
we aim to uncover all the wonderful secrets that nature has to offer.
Do
No
you hear
matter
that?
how minuscule
What is that
or
noise?
gigantic.
I don't know. Should we go explore or watch this?
Let's just watch this.
That looks like a lovely
Found
place.
primarily in deep North American woodlands.
Something's happening in there.
Has many different names and places of origin.
Don't worry, this place is just
Also
old.
referred to as the Tree of Heaven. Imagine that. In China and Taiwan.
China and Taiwan? What?
Here, I'll go investigate that sound.
Here, take the flashlight. You need it. What the heck? The door just closed. Hey, open the door! Who's in here?
With me, oh, tiptoe from the garden, by the garden, on the willow tree, come tiptoe through the tulips with me.
We cannot be possessed now. This is bad timing. This is bad timing. Oh no!
I kiss you in the garden, in the moonlight, you pardon me and tiptoe through the tulips.
It's a new phone. New phone. Oh no.